Good morning. Today I was asked the question how I differentiate between junior developers and senior developers. So I want to talk about my personal point of view, not about some existing system out there. So when you start as a developer, as a junior developer, you are pretty blank regarding experience, so that you don't have that much. So you may be able to code a little bit, you know, a little bit about design principles and stuff like this. But in general, you are not yet able to work all day long without asking questions here and there. And this is the point where you start. On your journey, you will become more experienced and you are more able to stay in your flow. But that all depends on people helping you getting to that point. After 2 or maybe 3 years, you get into the stage, what I call the intermediate developer. So you can work already pretty fluent. There's not much you can't do in your tech stack, in your daily business. So when you get issues or tickets, you are able to work and deliver on them. On some points, of course, you will still need help. For example, some corner cases, some issues from other disciplines like IT operations or more, let's say, more sophisticated architectures or optimization, stuff like this. On some point later in time, let's say 6 to 8 years, you realize that your experience level is quite high. So you gather a lot of experiences. Maybe you know multiple programming languages, you know a lot about architecture, you understand things like cloud native, IT operations to some certain degree, but you basically become able to help others. And this is where it actually shifts. So you are in that moment the cornerstone, or actually one of the cornerstones of the team. People come to you to ask, become some kind of mentor. And in that moment, when you realize you become that, you are, in my opinion, a senior developer. So it's not about like the technical skills. For me personally, the seniority is more about the cultural thing of helping others to give more to the team than you actually take from the team. It is important as well to understand that, especially when you become a senior, it's your job to help others, especially juniors, to get to this stage on some point in time as well, to be a good mentor. So I hope that helped, and I wish you a good day. Bye bye.